Level 2A. This is an optional level, and if you're going to do it, I highly recommend that you work with a partner. You do not have to work with a partner, but I think it's easier. So you're going to find somebody who's also finished level 2. Maybe they're a bit ahead of you, maybe you're a bit ahead, it doesn't matter. But you're going to work with a partner, and there are just 2 pieces of text that you're going to start with. One is part of an interview with an author named John Irving, and he talks about how he wrote this 800-page novel, but the novel used to be, 30% longer, and how he was able to cut it down simply by changing the point of view. And then there's also a film clip from a movie called Bend It Like Beckham. This is actually a Springboard activity. It's from Unit 5 in your Springboard book. So at the end of the year, you can say, yeah, my English teacher, we got through all 5 units of Springboard. He's awesome, because we will have done this one activity in Unit 5. And then once you've had a chance to think about point of view and how different people can tell the same story from different points of view, and it's different, then you're going to take one of the texts, specifically the Zebra Storyteller, from level 1 in this unit, and you're going to rewrite it. The Zebra Storyteller is told in third person. So you're going to rewrite it into a first person point of view somehow. Let's take a look at the rubric to see how I'm going to score that. My work shows an understanding of the difference between first person and third person point of view based on the comments by John Irving. So when he changed from one point of view to another, what happened to the length of his text? Is the same change happening to the Zebra Storyteller when you change its point of view? Your narrative should capitalize, punctuate, and paragraph dialogue correctly throughout. I mean, this is something that's going to be important when you get to level 5 and you write a full-blown, full-length narrative, right? You want to make sure that you're doing dialogue correctly. My reflection at the end of the level shows a complete understanding of how the narratives can change based on who is telling the story. So the whole idea is that after you and your partner have written these different versions of the Zebra Storyteller, you look at the differences and then you think about, oh, well, what changed is this. You do a little reflection on the process of writing this different point of view and what actually changes and what that might mean for how you tell your story later in level 5. There's also the planning, editing, and revision standard. Since you are rewriting the Zebra Storyteller, I want to see some evidence that you've put some thought into it and that this new version of the story does show some differences simply by changing the point of view. Okay? Good luck.